All right, 21110 Beaconsfield and East Point. Or no, I guess this isn't East Point. This is St. Clair Shores, I think. Anyway, walking in. Door looks like it needs a paint job. Oh, real quick. We just walk around out here. At the far end, you can see that we need to run off for that downspout. See if you maybe paint this white part of the sign too. Make it a little easier to see. Door could probably use a coat of paint. Most that needs to be done here is trash pickup. There's just a lot of garbage in here. Living room, have these spots in the wall that need to be painted over. Looks like those are staples that need to be pulled out, and a couple holes that just need to be patched up and painted over. Otherwise, the paint looks pretty good on the walls. Outlets look good. Floor looks good. You can see the trash everywhere. All the trash in the closets need to be taken out. First bedroom here. We got a couple scuff marks here, but it's just nothing a little paint can't take care of. Lights working fine. The walls look pretty good otherwise. Maybe just a couple spots of paint here and there. Doors appear to all be in pretty good shape. Closet looks good. Bathroom. We got a chip in the tub here. Probably just need a repair kit for that. Everything else looks like it's in pretty good shape. Looks like the stopper was taken out for something that's pretty nasty, but we need to get that put back in the sink. Missing a light bulb there. And we do have some lights that aren't working. In the bedrooms, the floor's a little scratched up, but it's nothing too bad. Light bulb, we got light bulbs that aren't working in this fan. Looks like this window was left open. Walls in here look pretty good for the most part. Outlets look good, covers look good. Closet looks good, just need to get the garbage cleared out. Doors are fine. Kitchen floor looks good. Kitchen walls look good. This light's not working here. Probably just a bulb issue. Everything else, countertop looks good, kitchen sink looks good, cupboards look fine. Heading downstairs, we just had some light issues here. This light that's over the bar won't work, the fluorescent one, and these fluorescent lights over here doesn't look like they're working either. This one doesn't even have any bulbs in it. Again, down here just needs to be cleaned up. And looks like we have some kind of moisture built up in this corner here. I don't know what that could be from. I don't see any leaks. It might be coming in from the wall. It's hard to tell. But it looks like it could be. Got a busted out window there. That bar area looks pretty good. Floors look good. Just more junk. Bathroom down here. Not too bad, just needs to be cleaned up. And then the shower back here, I don't know if that's something that that's going to be utilized or not. I'll let you guys make a decision on that. Water heater and furnace seem to be in good condition. This room looks fine. Just a couple tile spots that are kind of beat up, but that's no biggie. Oh, this light here. Oh, let's see what happened. That light was kind of coming loose there. I think I got it back on. So it doesn't look like any major damage. And we should be able to turn this one around pretty quick, run it back out. Back bedroom here, I need to have this door reinstalled for the closet. Bathroom in here looks fine. Just need to get some screws, put that back together. All the lights work. It's a nice fly trap hanging from the light. That's pretty disgusting. Wall in here. It's got some spots that need to be painted. This window's left partially open. Got a couple screws in the wall here that need to be taken out. Let's see. Outside here, looks like somebody popped that screen out. The screen needs to get put back on. You run off for the garage at the corner there. Got a crack in the brick wall there. It probably just needs to be patched up a little bit. More garbage needs to be taken out. And yeah, garage looks fine except for the garbage. Just need to get that cleaned out. So no major damage here, and we should be able to flip this one around pretty quick. Need another runoff there for that downspout. Runoff for the downspout there, and the screen for this door needs to be replaced. And that's about it. If there's any questions, let me know.